Hi! In this part of the tutorial, I want to show you what insights the pre-installed app Router Monitoring can offer you. Before you start, please make sure that you have done the initial setup of the app. Watch the first part of this tutorial series or have a look at the documentation to see how it's done. First, we select the Router Monitoring app, log in as admin with the password ChangeMe. After login, we see the Start page. If we click now on the menu and click on Routers, all available routers are shown. In our case, we only have one. Every available router has a submenu with the current state, the timelines, the history, and the tops. The subnode of the current state includes a dashboard with the live metrics of the router. In here you have an overview over the most relevant parameters of your router. You can see the usage of the disk, the memory, and the CPU, the throughput of the network and the queues, how many pages of the persistent store are used, and the count of the threads, the connections, streams, subscriber, and queues. At the bottom you have also two charts, which shows the message count in the queues and streams in descending order. If we open the menu again and open the timeline subnode, we see a dashboard which gives information about the connections. At the moment, we have only JMS connections which are shown. Upcoming AMQP, MQTT and routing connections are also shown in here. Going back to the menu, we can close the timeline subnode and open the histories. In here we can find several dashboards, one for each parameter which is also shown in the current metrics overview. Let's take a look at one of those dashboards. Same as in the timelines, we can see 4 charts. But for history dashboards, it is the history per hour, per day, per month and per year. At the moment we can only see the history of the last hour. This is because I have done the initial startup of the Router Monitoring app within the last hour. So it has not the data yet to have a history of a longer time period. All history dashboards have the same structure, so if you have a look at the memory history, we see also that it has a history for the hour, day, month and year. So let's move over to the last subnode. Tops includes information about the most used streams, thread pools and queues. If we now open the Stream Tops dashboard, we can see the same structure as for the histories. Same as in the current metrics overview, the throughput of the streams is shown in messages per second in descending order. And again, we have only the data for the last hour. The other dashboards of the top subnode have the same structure as the one I showed you. The thread pool tops has information about the running threads, and if we go over to the queues tops, we see the messages in the queues also in descending order. This is the end of the demonstration of the pre-installed app Router Monitoring. I hope it will help you to monitor your connected routers. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.